In this video, I will show you how to block someone on Monopoly Go. So let's jump straight into it. So as you can see, we're here on Monopoly Go. I've got the app open. So what you want to do, of course, is open up the app on your device and log in. Now to go ahead and block someone, what you're going to want to do first is come down to your friends button, which is down in the bottom right hand corner down here. So this is going to bring up a window like this. Now from here, what you're going to want to do is press onto the leaderboard. So you can see some different tabs at the top. You want to press onto leaderboard. Now at the moment, I believe you can only block friends. You can't just block anyone. It's only people that you're actually friends with on Monopoly Go. So if you come across to friends, as you can see, we've got global, locals and friends. You'll see if I go across to global, for example, and I'm trying to press on people's names and it's not actually doing anything. However, if you come across to your friends button, what you can do is actually go ahead and remove and block any of these people. So to do that, just go ahead and press on their name. So I'm going to press on this person, for example, and you'll see there's an option which comes up saying remove. So what you would do is press the remove button. It's going to say, do you want to remove this person as a friend? Go ahead and press the remove button. And that's basically how you can go ahead and block someone on Monopoly Go. So I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.